Alright guys, heading out today. Gonna go pick up some free lawnmowers on the side of the road that we saw last night driving out. They're on the side of the road, just saw them and we're gonna go check them out. So, alright guys, we got some nice machines here. One's got a bagger. This one looks real clean. But, it's the old motor. I can get that running. I can get them all running. Well, we're gonna load them up and get them home and get to work on them. So, alright guys, we got them back home. Got them all lined up. Just get a quick walk around here because it didn't really seem good. Got there, started taking pictures instead of recording on accident. So, this one here comes with a bagger. This one's light. Nice and clean though. They're all nice and clean. This one needs a little work. It's got an oil leak. So, yeah. Well, they all turn over. I'm gonna see if they have any gas on them, I guess. Start with this one. As well. Geez, it's almost full. I think this one runs. Cold start primer. Okay, it says 3 times. Now it's coming. 1, 2, 3. Try and get it started, maybe. Try and start her. Why not? Alright guys, I'm gonna try and get this one started. It's full of gas, so that means it might. No freaking way! What? Holy crap! It started right up! Oh my! There's give it 2 times. She wants it. Okay. This is a Craftsman. This one. There, 5 primes. Alright, she doesn't want it. Thinking I'm gonna check for spark on it because I don't know. Alright guys, let's check this middle one. See, it is good. That's oil. Let's check if this is oil. Yeah, not enough. Definitely need to add some. But this one. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back here. I just grabbed the head strap for this so it makes it easier. But this one fired, needs some more oil. But other than that, I mean, it's really good. We're gonna check this one for oil quick. Alright guys, we're gonna check the oil on this one, but it's not not letting me open it. There we go. Okay, oil's fairly good on this one. That's good. Let's check if it's got gas. Oh, that's terrible in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me get my phone out. Look at that in there. Get some good light going, but I mean, look at down in there. You can just see all the rust in that tank there. So we're gonna get that off probably. Not gonna start this one, but it's a Briggs & Stratton. We're definitely not putting gas in this thing. That's bad. Let's check this one. Check the oil. That one was tight too. Just gotta break that. Watery. Let me screw that. I believe you have to thread it in to check it. It's in a bad spot too. Okay, that's fairly good oil. It looks new. I tell you what, guys, I'm glad that this tank was dry on this one, because that would have been a mess. It's still a mess. Let's check this one for gas and stuff. Come on. Why these guys gotta thread these things on so hard? Come on. Loosen up a little bit. Almost. There, that was tight. That gas tank looks bad too. I mean, just look at the cap. Both these gas tanks I'm gonna have to take off. This one, let's try it again. I mean, it did sit for 5 more minutes. Interesting. Check this gas again. Yeah, it's right there with it. Try that again. Wow. Prime it again. Come on. All right, let's check for spark. Let's open up this door a little bit though. There. Oh. Let's pull this thing out. Okay, that looks fairly good. That doesn't look bad. Okay. 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 Settle up right there. Actually, I don't know. Well, let's get. Alright guys, we're gonna see if she's got a spark. Hopefully she does. I know she's got a little bit because it fired off, but here we go. Alright. Let's see what she's got. Oh, it fell, dang it. Alright guys, so this one, it's got good spark, but it just fire and not stay running. So I popped this air cleaner off and it's full of crap. So I'm gonna have to replace that sometime. But I'm just gonna leave it off, see if she'll fire once more. And if not, I think it's a fuel issue. That was 11 poles. All right, 10 pumps. All right, we've identified the problem. It is not getting good fuel. So, I'm gonna be done for the day. Because it's cold out. See my breath. Might also just be the smoke in my lungs. But this one needs to be cleaned out. The gas tank, this one too. So we got problems with all of these. But that was expected, you know, being free on the side of the road. These look really good. So we're gonna be done for today. Come back sometime this week. I don't know how it's gonna be tomorrow. It might be cold, but come back sometime this week, get it going. So I'll be back. All right, guys, we're back out here today. It's been about 3 days, and we got it running for a little bit. This gray one we're working on. So, but I noticed something. Whenever it would run, I'd tip it up so the rocks wouldn't go flying everywhere, and then it would shut off. So I'm gonna try just leaving it down and running it. So let's prime it here. Now it's coming. All right, let's try it. All right. Try priming it again. Oh, jeez. go. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a bucket or something and disconnect that fuel line and get all the gas out, because it's probably crap gas. And then we're gonna need some more oil, but I'll have to do that later because it was just running. All right. Well, let's get that off of there. Now we need a bucket, but this will work. Pretty sure it's got a leak from last time, but she'll be all right. Come on. That's in a really bad spot. Try and turn it. Oh crap, it came right off. Catch that. It's pretty yellow. Oh, crap, it's gonna overflow. Yeah, it's leaking. I don't know what we're gonna do with it. Didn't really have a plan after that, but guess we'll just leave it there and let it leak out. And then scoop the gravel up and go throw it somewhere, I guess. Well, there we go. We didn't even get any gas on me. Jeez. Slip that back on there. Perfect. Put this air cleaner back on it. Knock all this crap out. There. This one's good for now. Now we're gonna start on this one. Alright guys, this video is getting too long, so I'm gonna have to make it into 2 videos. So we got this one fixed up. Got her running good. And, you know, she runs good. She cuts good. So I'm gonna sell it. I think I can get $100 for this one at least. So, but we'll see. The next one videos I'm gonna be working on the next 2 lawnmowers. So yeah, I'll be back.